Welcome to Appointy Walkthroughs. Now in the previous video we have set up the entire account and I've explained all the settings. In these videos we're going to talk about the customer interface. As you can see, I have some categories already there with a couple of services within those categories. Now let's say, for example, each category has more than 5 or 6 services and you don't want the customers to scroll down to find the correct category. So what you can do from here in settings is go into settings, go to service options and select the option which says require customers to select the category first. Once you do that, refresh the page. Now just keep this tip in mind: whenever you're making any changes on the administrative side, just refresh the customer interface to see those changes. Now as you can see, each category is minimized, and if I want to see the services under those categories, I need to click on that category. Now also, if you notice on the top right corner, you would see the options over here. The first one is locations. So in case you have an enterprise plan and if you have multiple accounts, the customers can always click on locations and select the location that they want to book an appointment with. Now you can also send this link directly to the customers, so the first page that they see is the locations, where they can select the desired location and then book the appointment there. Now the second one is schedule. So if somebody clicks on about us to learn more about the location, where the address is and other stuff, and they want to get back to booking an appointment, they can always click on the schedule button to see the services. And this is how the About Us tab is going to look like. You're going to have your business name over here. Now in this scenario, I've not mentioned much on this account, so let me just change to another one. So I choose the first one, and then I go to the About Us tab. So as you can see, you have your business logo over here, then you would have the name of the business, the address, and you can also so in the settings, like when you're setting up the account, under where it says your business, whatever you put in the business description is going to be mentioned right below the name of the business, so in this blank spot over here. And they would also be able to see the location on Google Maps. Now as you can see, in this account I'm upselling gift certificates, so the customers can go and click on gift certificates and purchase gift certificates from here. I have multiple language options over here, so they can also click on that and choose between options. The last one is login. So if you have Appointy login enabled, customers would be able to log in and book appointments, see their past and present schedule and stuff like that. Okay, give me a minute. Right, so now I'm logged in. As you can see, it shows my profile. Now if I click on gift certificates, it'll let me know if I have purchased any gift certificates. Then I have my appointments, so upcoming and past appointments. If a customer wants to book any appointments, he can do that as well. Update profile is where they can change the email address, change the password, and I can also mention logout. Now in a simple scenario, let's book an appointment. So I would select a service, I would click on next. I would get an option to choose a staff. Now if I have not made the staff choice mandatory, it will give me an option for any staff, which means depending on whichever time I select and whichever staff is available, it's gonna assign that appointment to that staff members. Now we also have the round robin, so if all the staff members are available at the same time, the first appointment is going to go to the first staff, and then the second appointment for the same time is going to go to the second staff, so on and so forth. So I'm going to choose any staff. I click on next. It's going to show me the monthly calendar with the dates. I can choose the date. It's going to give me the slots. I select a slot, then I can go in, continue as a guest. If you want customers to sign in, you would need to go into the login options in settings over here and uncheck guest login. That way they would need to create an account and they would need to use their email as the username and create a password. So going back to the customer interface, now over here it'll tell you what your appointment is for. Now you need to click on confirm to book the appointment as a customer. So I click on confirm. Now once the appointment is confirmed, at this point in time the customer would get an email for the booking confirmation. They can click on add to Google Calendar, add to iCal or Outlook Calendar to get this appointment added on to their calendar as an event. Then if they want to book any other appointments, they can click on start over. So this is the simple version of how the customer interface would look like. Thank you very much.